Christmas time gone high. In the morning, no magic light. Christmas time gone high.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high. If you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit.
Okay, so it's vlogmas day 9. We was going to see the Christmas tree and that was a complete fail. We did not go see the tree. It's cold as hell out here and we hungry and everything closes in an hour. So yeah, so y'all just gonna enjoy some scenery because that's all I got going on for today, and we're gonna come back and hopefully do something tomorrow. Oh, watching this lady. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, so welcome to vlogmas day 10, and today for dinner we're gonna make us some chicken teriyaki. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need to make your chicken teriyaki. I'm making mine with broccoli, so that's why you say broccoli. And I have my chicken breast, and I also have shrimp. So I'm gonna make chicken and shrimp teriyaki. So first what I'm gonna do is just like start peeling off all the tails on the shrimp. Put the shrimp in this bowl right here, and then I'm going to chop up the cubes of the chicken breast and just let you guys see how it goes. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I just got finished cleaning my chicken, so it looks like this. This is what my chicken is looking like. So now I'm about to cut it up into cubes, and then I'm going to show y'all how it looks then, and then we are going to season it. Okay, guys, so our chicken is cut into cubes like so. I'm going to just season my chicken. It's taking forever to focus, so I'm just going to tell you guys, I'm going to go in with our good old onion powder. Then I'm going to go in with some garlic powder like so. We have our garlic because I like my chicken to have flavor. Okay, I've watched a lot of videos where they only use like salt and pepper, but I want mine to have flavor. So our chicken is seasoned. Now we're gonna put our skillet on the stove and we're gonna boil our pot with our water for our rice. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go in with my extra virgin olive oil. Focus. My camera's like not focusing today, but my extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put it in the pot, the pan, whatever, and we're gonna let this kind of warm up. I have my pot right here that I'm going to boil my rice inside of, so let's go. Our pot is pretty hot. Now what we're gonna do is just go in with our chicken that I freaking just dropped on. We're gonna go in with our chicken, and we're gonna let this cook. And then once our chicken finishes cooking, we're gonna go in and add our shrimp.
Story time regarding the house that I'm actually currently living in right now, and just kind of like some weird stuff that has been happening. I love you guys for love and miss my story times. I feel like I haven't done a story time in so long, but it makes me so happy that you guys like for me to chat with you guys and share with you guys just things that go on our daily life. Yeah.
y'all, so the chicken is basically pretty much cooked. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the shrimp. I always like to add in the shrimp last, just because, like, if y'all watched my previous video, you basically know the shrimp that I do buy is already cooked. So all you have to do is just, like, if you want to cook it a little bit more, just add a little bit of heat and it's cooked. So I'm just gonna let this cook in here, mix it in, and then we are gonna add our teriyaki sauce and our soy sauce, and that's pretty much it. So water is boiling over here for the rice, so I'm gonna just add the jasmine rice in right now. So I have my rice going, and I have my broccoli is already cooked as well too. And I'm gonna show you how everything looks. I'm gonna put it in like this big little bowl over here so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm like all about these quick, easy meals, especially when I don't have much time. I also have other things I want to do tonight too, so I don't want to spend all day cooking, but I still want a pretty good meal. And then I'll take like whatever is left over of this, I'll have it for leftovers for work. But yeah, this is like such an easy meal to cook, guys. So definitely comment down below if you guys have tried any of the meals I've shown. I showed y'all the other night baked mac and cheese with what the heck did I make with it? Baked mac and cheese, and I think it was shrimp as well, and spinach. I can't remember what I made. So let me know if you guys tried any of the recipes, and thumbs up if you are enjoying these type of videos, because I would definitely keep it going for the whole vlogmas shebang. I love to cook. So I think I'm definitely gonna keep this up. I can definitely show you guys the stuff I'm cooking and making. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in a couple of seconds once this is fully cooked and just show y'all how it looks once I add the sauce. Hey y'all, so I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 10. This is my finished outcome. Just a little bit of like the chicken, the shrimp, and the broccoli over some rice, and I'm gonna enjoy this. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.